All right, guys, it is lightly snowing here in North Carolina, and I am about to go into Walmart because I'm gonna get milk and bread. I have never been part of the milk and bread group before, but this year I'm going to do it because I feel like we're in danger, and that if we get milk and bread, that everything will be okay. So here I go. As you can see, it is lightly snowing, and we're about to go in so that we will be safe. All right, we have to get milk and bread. We're gonna see what all the fuss is about this year, and I'm gonna make sure that my family can stay fed. Okay, I'm one of those creepy people on my cell phone recording in public. Surprisingly enough, all of the bread is here, except for right here. Excuse me. Y'all, I just made up a song inspired by true events. There's a man in pajamas, a coat and sunglasses, standing in the road at the end of my neighborhood. He looks crazy, and he might be, maybe, I don't know, but he's standing out there in the snow. Yeah. Thank you. That's an Annie original. Copyrights owned by moi. BTW, the girl at Bojangles handed me my food and said, "You're gorgeous, by the way." And I was like, oh my God, I'm so flattered. But like, seriously, I am. My son, he wanted Bojangles, so I got a Bojangles and a drink. And I am walking across the street, ATM, and I'm gonna give him his food. Walk with me in the snow, everybody. It's snowing. You can't even see it, can you? Okay. You gotta look when you cross the road, even when you live in a cul-de-sac, because that's just the way it goes. You wanna see the snow? Look, it's in my hair. Oh. What's that snow song? I don't know, but la da 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 da. I'm singing in the snow because I'm a Disney princess. See snow. Snow, snow. Look at the snow, it's falling. There's snow and it's falling on the ground, and it's melting as soon as it hits the ground, because it's snow and it's North Carolina, so you just never know. That song is also made by me. Y'all don't be stealing my songs, but you sure can sing along.
Anymore because they made YouTube so shiny.
Hey. Hey, Hans. Hey, Hans. Are you camera shy? It's Hans's room. Well, he's not even doing it now I walked over here. Are you so excited, Hans? Yeah, no? Are you excited? Do you want to go play in the snow?